Hi, everybody. Happy week 22 and the second week of third quarter and the second week of February, and happy conferences week as well. So, a lot to be thankful for right now. I am going to keep this video pretty short, sweet, and to the point. We are going to be doing an activity in class that's kind of the builder for this part one assignment for the week. So again, make sure that you look at the updates that I posted in our class page. It would have been a few weeks ago, so you might have to scroll down just a tad, not much. But I put the code to join in any Google Meet and my schedule for when I teach my health classes, so that when you guys are at home, you have access to my class while I'm in the classroom, and you can be a part of this activity that we're going to do. That's kind of the build up to this part one assignment for the week, and it might help you understand why we're doing that assignment. So, with further ado, so this part one folder for week 22 in Schoology. It's called Reframing Your Thoughts. It's a PDF, and then you'll turn it in here. So for part one this week, we're really focused on self-concept, self-esteem, so how people view themselves, and then also focusing a lot on like negative self-talk, so ways that we might talk down about who we are, whether that be our personality, the way that we look, maybe the friends that we have, things like that, and trying to reframe and change the way that we see ourselves so that we're not always so negative and we're more positive. And that's really what this assignment is focused on. So again, it's called the Reframing Your Thoughts PDF. What can I say to myself? So on the left-hand side, it's the instead of. And then on the right-hand side, it's try thinking. So your negative thoughts are going to go here, and then how you can change them to positive thoughts is going to go over here. So like one example might be that you think that you're not really good at school. Okay, so like your negative thought would be, for number one, I'm not good at school. I never have been, never will be. That's it. And your change positive thought could be, school is really hard for me, but I know that I am really good at asking questions. Or I know that I'm really good at staying organized. Or I know that I am really good at participating during class. And again, it's really just taking the negative thoughts that we might have about ourselves and how can we change it so that it sounds more positive and that we can bring ourselves up instead of bringing ourselves down all the time. So that's really the focus. There's 5 different negative self-talks that I want you to focus on and change them in and reframe them to more positive self-talks. And again, this is kind of an extension and a builder off of what we're going to be doing in class. So please, please, please join in if you can from home using that code. Again, you can look in Schoology and our updates for that. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Please let me know. Otherwise, be more positive. Bye.